Hi everyone, Paul here. Today I'm probably going to make kind of like my final video talking about strategies and methods for improving your chances with futures. I am going to probably make another video on how to make more money in long term when it comes to doing futures. I'll use XRP and Cardano as an example, but today what I want to kind of go over is how to use the rainbow strategy, to improve your chances of getting more successful trades. So if you didn't miss yesterday's video, I did talk about the rainbow strategy, but today I'm going to be talking about a strategy with using the rainbow strategy that will improve your trading. Improve your trading with futures, but you can also use this strategy for the stock market because it'll work the same way. But I'm basically using today is to talk about how to use it to benefit more for crypto by winning more future trades on whatever crypto you want to do. This is based off of futures with crypto. I am going to be talking about how to use this strategy for the stock market. That'll probably come in a couple days. Anyway, let me explain how to find the more successful trades with doing futures with crypto. Important thing to realize about this strategy here, and this is a good example of what I'm talking about. Let me hurry up. I may have to enter a trade here. I may do all of this in one video, but let's see. What you want to do in the rainbow strategy here is you want to use the rainbow strategy, and now the rainbow strategy is what I call the rainbow strategy, but it's basically you got to have the pro membership of TradingView, and you load up. Now let's pay attention to the RSI right here. What you will see now, you want to make sure your EMAs are 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. And make sure your 20 EMA is a bright color, and usually I make it more thick. What you want to basically do after you have that set is you want to use the rainbow strategy as a guide. You do not use the rainbow strategy for your trading entry points, if that makes sense. You do not use this is very important to understand. Do not use the rainbow, just what you see in the rainbow, to make your decisions for trading. It will screw you up. You will lose trades. What you have to do is you have to look at the rainbow strategy and realize what direction is everything going right now with XRP as an example. Pay no attention to it declining right now, which is something I'm probably going to prove. The overall trend is it going up right now. On the 1 minute, it is going up. So for those that want to do the trades on the 1 minute. Now if we look at the 5 minute, we see that it is a downtrend. It is a downtrend. On the 1 minute, it is a uptrend. So this is kind of tricky, because if you want to do more of a long-term play, which is something I wouldn't do, I do the 1 minute and I get in and get out. So I'm basing it off of the 1 minute. What we can see right here, if we look at the rainbow strategy, is the overall trend is going up. Pay no attention to it going down right now. What you want to look for to make this trade work, now like I said, you use the rainbow strategy as a way of just seeing what direction everything is going. So we can tell that on the 1 minute that the trend is going up currently. It will not be in a downtrend until the 20 EMA goes down here. It is on a uptrend right now on the 1 minute. To enter a successful trade, what you have to do is you have to look at your RSI, and you basically have to wait for it to... Now, here's a good... I may actually come in here. This is a good point to come in. We'll see what I'm talking about. See, the overall trend, the RSI is going down. It dipped. What you got to wait for with the RSI is for it to cross back in that direction that it's going. So since the overall trend is going up, you need to wait for the RSI to go down, cross down, and then bounce back up and go cross back through the RSI. That is when you enter. You enter when the RSI goes into the direction that the rainbow strategy is going into. So I may actually enter this trade here if it's, and I'll prove my point here. Just got to wait for the RSI to go back up pretty close. Let's just see what happens. Okay, so it's going through the RSI. So I am going to enter a long position. Actually, I can't do it right now. Dang it. Oh well. I can't do a trade because of my connection. Boo. Well, let's see. Let me just kind of prove this while I'm talking to you. So if I did enter this trade right here, I'll make a mark right about here and say this is where I would have entered. Right here. Now you'll notice that's going the opposite direction. So it works most of the time here, but let's just see what happens. You want to wait for the RSI to go right back through the... You want to wait for it to cross back up because the overall trend is going down. It's most likely just doing a little correction. So what we can see is the overall trend is going up. So you check for the trend to go up. Right now on the 1 minute. Now these are for quick scalps. See what's happening? See what's happening? See what's happening? It looks like it might be going back up. Anyway, you look at your rainbow, and you look at the overall trend for that moment. And then since the trend is going up right here, you can tell because all the lines are straight. And you can tell that it's going to keep going up because nothing has really changed right here. The 20 EMA is still, they're all going in a straight direction. So see what's happening right now? See what's happening right now? What we have to do is wait for the RSI. We have to wait for the purple line to cross through the yellow line. And that's basically when you would enter the trade. You do not enter, see what's happening? See what's happening right now? It's going up. Since the overtrend is going up, you wait for the RSI to cross back up since the overall trend is going up. And basically, you can come in and right here, whenever it crosses through, and then you can get out at any point. So you basically get in for a couple candles, get in and get out. That's basically what I do. I wait a couple minute or two and I do quick scalps, but if you want to do longer trades, see what's happening right now? See what's happening? See what's happening? Yeah, the RSI is pushing back through the, it's crossing up, the trend is going up, so that's when you enter. The overall trend's going up, so once you're in a trade, you can then follow the rainbow and see if the lines are continually going in a straight direction, it's going to continue to go up in that direction. So anyway, this is the method that will help you win more trades, especially doing futures. And we could tell that if I did take this trade, I would have been in profit. So from right here to right now up here, I'd be in profit. So at this point right now, I probably would have waited like another minute or two, and I would have gotten out. But anyway, that's this strategy. It's really effective in my opinion. Now, if you guys want to apply this strategy, I'm not responsible for any profit or loss. But anyway, that's just what I do to find my trades. I would wait a couple more minutes for this to bounce back up. But anyway, from judging by the rainbow here, it's still a uptrend. But anyway, guys like this video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in future videos.